It's not necessary to know the difference between 을, 를, which means the object marker in Korean. But if you wanna be like Korean native speaker, you should know, right? So just I'm gonna clarify about this one. For example, when you want to put 을 for object marker, the word you want to put in sentence should be included the final consonant. For example, 책, the book, 책을, like this, or 물, water, 물을, yeah, something like this. And for 를, this is also another object marker, right? This is only for vowel. For example, 과자, snack. So we can put 를 like 과자를, okay? And my name is Hana, so also I can put in this case 를 because na is vowel, right? 하나를. I hope it was helpful to you. Bye.